Uncertainty dominates our lives, from health and politics through to climate and the environment, and from business and investment through to manufacturing and design. Never has the world been more uncertain for businesses. In the midst of a pandemic that some could predict but few could fully model, making the right decisions, both for now and for the future, has been challenging for individuals and organisations around the globe. But with smarter, more integrated systems, better data and analytics, and more effective holistic modelling, we can be assured that decision making will improve greatly, even in the face of limited evidence or insight. Imperial is already leading the way for data-driven decision making. For example, our Disease Outbreak Centre, JIDEA, launched a pandemic hospital planning tool to help cope with extreme surges in demand from coronavirus. And a new project, in partnership with the Mayor of London and Bloomberg, will install 100 pollution sensors across London, giving communities access to affordable and reliable air quality data for the first time. This data will be immensely important for tackling the capital's air pollution problem. No sector, industry, country or government has been immune from the impacts of the crisis. By taking steps now to improve decision-making processes and protocols, your organisation can improve its resilience in the face of major global challenges, such as climate change, antimicrobial resistance, a transition to zero pollution, and the changing nature of work, education, healthcare, and increased digitalisation on society. This February, Imperial Business Partners is excited to bring together some of our leading academics from the field of decision making in uncertain circumstances. They will be joined by experts from industry and innovators whose solutions are ready to be deployed to help your businesses survive, revive, and thrive as we move towards a post-COVID future. A broad range of sectors will be covered, from manufacturing to energy to finance. A range of topics will be discussed, and these include planning in the current environment, including what data is relevant for now and what needs to be considered for recovery and growth in the future, making decisions, including ensuring that even when we're working remotely or apart from one another, we can make data-driven, ethical and equitable decisions. Stakeholder management, such as how to justify decisions to stakeholder when data is limited, and how to understand what and when data is important and relevant. Improving adoption of technologies and science solutions to improve services and make businesses more efficient. The insights shared at this event will be applicable across industries, while our experts are further available through Imperial Business Partners to deliver sector-specific workshops and partnerships, bespoke programs for businesses and collaborations across our multidisciplinary, industry-attuned academic community. We're delighted to be partnering with the Deep Tech Network for this event, enabling closer connections between our White City campus and the White City Innovation District in the borough. As ever, we thank Imperial Business Partners members for your ongoing support. Imperial is open for business in the UK, in Europe and globally. We're at the forefront in the fight against COVID, quickly responding and working hard to use our science and technology for a better world and to continue to produce world-leading research and innovation through these uncertain times. We're excited to welcome you to join us at this event and on the journey to a healthier, smarter, more resilient and more sustainable future.